When I'm scared of what comes next, life's not fair and there's no hope left. When I'm scared that I'm not quite enough, there's love. In the dark, there is light. I can't fall on my knees. When I'm broken and hurting, His love says, come to me. There's no hiding, there's no love, no place to hide where He won't go. When I'm breaking, everywhere He's, there's no. Worrying, cause He'll be there every time that I fall. In the dark, there is light. I can fall on my knees. Without broken and hurting, His arms come to me. Come to me.